Wait a minute, I am checking whether live is coming properly or not. Okay, once again I will see. Yes, it is now. Yes, in this class, let us discuss science remaining formulas and also let us solve few important numericals based on the science topics. Science remaining formulas and also let us science remaining formulas and also okay, let us start the class here. Yes, let us discuss few important formulas, remaining formulas, which are the formulas I not able to give. Okay, nature, good evening. Yes, in the first class I given full formulas, only electricity. That chapter I have to give the formulas. Then here I am going to discuss few important problems, numerical problems I am going to discuss because only 2 days left. That's why yesterday I was busy in preparing the problems. That's why yesterday not able to take even one live class also. Okay, then remaining these formulas based on electric current. Then electric current, what is the formula? I, it will be equal to Q divided by T. Q means charge, T means time. What is the SI unit of current? Ampere we will use. Then voltage, V is equal to E by Q, or V is equal to W divided by Q. Here E is energy, W means work done. Then SI unit of volt is, we will unit, it will be volt. Resistance, R it will be rho L divided by A. Another one, R is equal to V by I. Then where rho is resistivity, L means length, A means area of cross section. Then power, what is the formula? Power, it will be P V into I. Then SI unit of power is watt. Conductivity, uh, sigma, it will be 1 by omega we will call. Then Siemens per meter. This conductivity up to now it is not there, that's why better not to remember that one. Then from here it is important current, you know, I is equal to Q by T, where Q means charge, T means time taken. Then SI units, it will be ampere. Then voltage, yes, already this one is repeated. Then resistance, this also rho L divided by A. Rho means resistivity, L means length, A means area. Another formula, R it will be V by I. Then power, P is equal to VI. Then SI unit is watt. Again that is, this one is repeated because that one font size is very small. That's why I included one more formulas that is repeated only. Let us solve few problems here. I am going to solve the problem based on electricity and even light problems. Then resistors normally they will ask a parallel and series resistor. That three main topics I am going to discuss the problem. Okay, let us solve the problem. Let us discuss the problem here. An electric heater has a potential difference of 220 volt. Here potential difference V is given, that is 220 volt. Then resistance is given 70 ohm. Determine the magnitude of current flowing through it. You have to find the magnitude of current flowing through it. I, it will be V divided by R. Direct direct problems they are given here. Then V value they are given potential difference 220 volt divided by resistance, it will be 70. 220 divided by 70, you will get the current value is 3.1428 ampere. This simple problem, like this problem, definitely they will ask in the exam. Okay, an electric heater, a potential difference is given, resistance is given, you know the formula, you have to find the current it will be I, it will be V by R, then simplify, you will get 3.1428 ampere, it will be the current. Then let us move to the next question. An electric lamp lights for 4 hours and draw a current of 0.5 ampere. Calculate the amount of charge flowing through the lamp. What is given? Let us write here. Current is given 0.5 ampere. Then time they are given in hours, 4 hours. Better convert this one in terms of a second. Then 4 into 3600 second. Then you will get multiply, you will get 14,400 second. Always you have to remember, if they are given time in terms of hour, you have to convert in terms of second. You know the formula, charge it will be I into T. I value is 0.5, time is in terms of second, 14,400 multiply, you will get amount of charge will be 7,200 coulomb. Okay. Yes, very easy problem. Remember the formulas. Next one, here I am including physical quantity symbol and also SI unit. Remember, voltage symbol is V, SI unit is volt only. Power P, SI unit is watt. Charge Q, SI unit is coulomb. Work or energy, both W we will use sometime, even energy we will use W. Both also it will be in joule. Resistance R ohm. Then current I ampere. Resistivity rho ohms per ohm meter, not ohms per meter. Rho it will be ohm meter. Remember. Next question. This font size is dull. That's why I am writing once again. I am solving the problem. When you are reading, I took the question from the internet. In the internet only, the font size is dull. That I can't do anything. We don't have the time even type otherwise to change everything to edit. That's why I will solve. Then I will write the I will solve here. I will write a toaster when connected to a 240 volt supply has a resistance of 80 ohm. What is the current flowing through it? You have to find the current. Here resistance is given 80 ohm. Then voltage is given 240 volt. You know the formula I, it will be V divided by R. V is 240, then resistance is 80, 0 get cancelled, 8 ones are 8 threes are, then current it will be 3 ampere. Very easy question. In TET they will ask easy questions only, difficult they will not ask. When we are discussing HSTR, gpstr, that time we will move to the difficulty level problems. Next one, a laptop charger operates for 2 hours and draw a current of 1 ampere. What is the total charge that flow through it? Here they are given current is 1 ampere, then time they are given in terms of hours. Again convert in terms of second. 2 into 3600 second is, it will be equal to 7200 second. Then you know charge it will be I into T. I is 1 ampere, time is 7200 second. Then charge it will be 7200, the unit is coulombs. Okay, easy problem. Let us move to the next problem. Here also same. An electric heater has a potential difference of 220 ohm. Voltage is given 220 volt, sorry not ohm, volt. A resistance of 11 ohm. Resistance is 11 ohm. The magnitude of the determine the magnitude of the current that passes through it. I this it will be equal to V by R. Voltage is 220, then resistance is 11, then 11 ones are 11 20 is a, you will get current will be 20 ampere. These problems are easy. Let us move to the next set of problem. This also easy, I will move it fast. An electric lamp lights for 6 hours, draw a current of 0.3 ampere. Current is 0.3 ampere. Then time is 6 hours. Convert in terms of second. 6 into 3600 second. Then 21600 second. Then charge it will be current into time. Current is 0.3. Then time is 21600 seconds. Multiply, you will get charge, it will be 6480 coulomb. Let us move to the next one. Example, a force of 10 Newton is acting on the charge of 20 microcoulomb at any point. Find the electric field intensity at that point. Here they are given force, it will be 10 Newton acting on the charge of 20 microcoulomb. Charge it will be 20 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6, that you have to convert. 10 to the power of into microcoulomb. Let us convert later. Find the electric field intensity at that point. Electric field intensity, what is the formula? Electric field intensity, it will be F divided by Q. Remember the formula. Forces, they are given 10 Newton. Then charge Q into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. Then simplify, you will get electric field intensity, it will be 0.5 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per coulomb. That is the SI unit for electric field intensity. This formula you have to remember. Okay. Then microcoulomb means, micro means 10 to the power of minus 6, that you have to remember. Let us move to the next questions. This also easy one, I will go fast. A van of 1500 kg is traveling at 30 meter per second, covers a curve of radius 300 meter. Find the centripetal force. Here they are asking the centripetal force. Last question answers you are telling 5 into 10 to the power of 5. Yes, 5 into 10 to the power of 5. Yes, 0.5 10 to the power of 5 Newton coulomb. Yes, Viresh, correct. Next, what you have to calculate, a van of 1500 kg. Here mass is given 1500 kg. Then here they are given radius, it will be 300 meter. Then this van of 1500 kg is traveling at 30 meter per second. Velocity here they are given 30 meter per second. Then you know the formula to calculate the centripetal force. Fc, it will be mv square divided by r. M is 1500 into v, 30 square means, otherwise you can write it as 30 into 30 divided by r is 300. 20 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, you multiply, you will get centripetal force, it will be 4500 Newton. Remember the formula to calculate the centripetal force, we will use mv square divided by, not 0.5 you are telling. 0 it will get cancelled. Then 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. They in internet they are given wrong. Then 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Then 10 to the power of Mine axis, if you move up, it will be 10 to the power of 6. Correct. Otherwise you can write it as 5 into 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 0.5 into 10 to the power of 5 they are given. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Then this is 10 to the power of 6. Correct. This is 10 power 6 because 1 by 2 is 10 by 20 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. 0 0 get cancelled. 1 by 2 its value is 0.5, then 10 power 6. Yes, correct, Viresh. Thank you. Why in internet also they are given high here? See the here, see here they are given the value like that only, but this is 6. Okay, let us move to the next one. Yes, this is 4500 Newton. 0.5. Yes, you can write it as 5 into 10 to the power of 5 also. Yes. Next one. Two bulbs having ratings 100 watt, 220 volt, 60 watt, 220 volt respectively. Which one has the greater resistance? Which one have the greater resistance? You have to calculate. You know the power, it will be V into I. Then here the power, first one, V and R are inversely proportional to each other. Here power, it will be Vi, V square, this one V square divided by R, then V square divided by R. From this V and R is inversely proportional to P. Yes, R is inversely proportional to P. This is V square. P is equal to Vi. You know V is equal to I into R. V is equal to I into R. Yes, V square by R. Then here you can conclude R and P are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, the bulb 60 watt, 220 watt has the greater resistance. Here 60 watt is nothing. Two bulbs having ratings 100 watt and 60 watt. Voltage is same. Voltage, it will be constant. Then resistance is inversely proportional to P. Sorry, I wrote directly proportional. Inversely proportional to P. This is inversely proportional to P. Then power. If power is less, then resistance, it will be more. If power is more, resistance, it will be less. According to that, here the bulb having 60 watt then 220 volt has a greater resistance because power is 60, then resistance, it will be more, first case. Then the second case, consider as 100. This is power is 100. This one is more. This one is more, then resistance, it will be less. Here they are asking which one has the greater resistance. The bulb having the lower, power having the greater resistance. That one you have to keep in mind. Power and resistance, they will be inversely proportional to each other. Remember the formula, then it will become easy. Understood? Next, calculate the current and resistance of a 100 watt 200 volt electric bulb. They are asking the current and resistance both. Then power is given, that is 100 watt. Then voltage is given 200 and 200 volt. You know the formula, P is equal to Vi. Then voltage is 200. Then current only we have to calculate, write it as I. Then power is 100. Then I, it will be equal to 100 divided by 200. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 ampere. Then next one, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the resistance. Resistance, the formula is V by I. Then voltage is 200. Current we calculated, that is 0.5. Simplify, you will get 400 watt. Here they are asking the value of current and also resistance. They are given power and also voltage. Remember the formula, P is equal to VI, then R it will be equal to V by I. Remember the formula, it will become easy. From here the problems are interesting, and also you have to need more focus from here, because that one is easy based on electric current. If you know the formula, substitute, you will get the answer. But light numericals are little tricky, because which one you have to take positive negative based on the focal length, then image distance, object distance, that which type of lens, which type of mirror, everything you have to keep in mind when you are solving the problem. Suppose height of the object is 3 centimeter. Here height of the object they are given, that is 3 centimeter. Height of the image is 12 centimeter. What is the magnification? Magnification, first you have to consider the mirror formula. You know mirror formula. I think this one is not how to 1 by V plus 1 by U, it will be 1 by F. Then magnification minus V divided by U, that is extra formulas I am writing. But here they are given magnification in terms of height. Therefore magnification it will be equal to height of image divided by height of object. We will use this formula because they are given the height. Remember the mirror formula for magnification, formula for mirror is minus V by U, but here they are not given the object distance, they are not given the image distance. Here they are given the height of the object to the height of the image. We will use this formula. If M it will be equal to height of the image. Height of the image is 12, then height of the object is 3, then 3 ones are 3 fours are, then your magnification value it will be 4 direct. Okay, this is suppose height, what is the magnification they are asking here. Let us move to the next question. Suppose object distance is 3 centimeter. See here they are given the object distance is 3 centimeter, and in front of the mirror image distance is 12 centimeter in front of the mirror. Find magnification. Here we will use the formula magnification minus V divided by U, because they are given here object distance also, image distance also. And here important thing you have to remember, suppose the object distance is 3 centimeter in front of the mirror. If the object is placed in front of the mirror, then U and V both also we will consider as a negative if you are place the object in front of the mirror. And also object distance is 3 centimeter in front of the mirror, image distance 12 centimeter also in front of the mirror. If the object and image both also, if you are getting in front of the mirror, in front of mirror, in that case we will consider both U also minus sign, V also minus sign. If you consider the object distance or image distance, otherwise the object or image both also, if you are getting behind the mirror, then that case we will consider as a positive. That one you have to keep in mind in case of a mirrors. This is not applicable for lens. This is what I am explaining, this is only for mirrors. For lens it will be different, that I will tell later. Okay, yes. Then here U and V are their values are negative, because both also object and also image, both we are keeping in front of the mirror. Then substitute here whatever they are given here. In the formula also you are having minus sign, keep in mind. And object distance we will consider as u, then image distance it will be v. Then v u is minus 3 centimeter, then v is minus 12 centimeter. Already you are having minus, keep, take that one outside. V is minus 12 because in front of the mirror. Then u value is minus 3 because this also it will, you are getting in front of the mirror. Then this minus minus into minus, minus into minus, it will become plus. Plus divided by minus is minus. Then 3 ones are 3 fours are, then m it will be minus 4. Magnification here it is minus 4. Understood? Even you can consider minus divided by minus. Otherwise, consider minus into minus, it will become plus. Plus divided by minus, you will get minus 4. The magnification value, it will be minus 4. Let us move to the next question. A convex mirror. Here also I am solving the problem based on the mirror only. A convex mirror used for a rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature. Here they are given r. Radius of curvature, it will be 3 meter. Then if a bus is located at 5 meter from his mirror, find the position and nature and size of the image. Radius of curvature they are given. Then you know the formula to calculate the focal length, radius of curvature divided by 2. Then 3 by 2, this value it will become 1 by 1, 1.5 meter. Then here a convex mirror used for a rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, 5 meter from this mirror, then find the position, nature and size of the mirror. Here focal length what we are getting, that is positive. This positive it will indicate the focus of convex mirror is behind the mirror. The focus, the nature of the image, it will be the where the image it will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, understood? Radius of curvature is given here. Then they are asking what is the position, the focal length, the the image it will form exactly on the focal length 1.5 meter. Then nature of the image is the image it will form behind the mirror. How you can tell behind the mirror? Because if it is positive plus 1.5 meter, this plus sign it will indicate the image it will form behind the mirror. That one you have to remember. Let us move to the next question. And also I given the last class I given everything for a concave, convex, mirror and lens, and in which case the object distance, image distance, then focal length in which case is positive, negative, and magnification also. If it is positive what it will indicate, if it is negative what it will indicate, if it is less than 1, equal, greater than, everything in detail I given the information first. Science formulas first video. That's why you have to make a revise of that formulas, then concept, then only you can solve the problem. Keep in mind that one, it is very very important. When you are solving light problems, it will be that one you have to remember. Next question. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified enlarged real image. Here the image it will be enlarged because it is forming 3 times, that is the size of the uh, object. Then image, an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it, where is the image located? Here since the image produced is real, hence magnification will be negative. anything they are given, see here they are given the image, it will be real. They are given in the question real. Whatever the image you are getting, that is real. The image produced is real. This real, it will indicate the magnification will be negative. That's why I am stressing you have to watch the video, science formula 1. Okay, then you have to remember everything. If magnification is negative, we will get a real image. Otherwise here they are given ulta. If the image is real, then you have to identify the magnification value is negative. Okay, and also here they are given 3 times. A concave mirror produces 3 times. 3 times mean magnification is 3, but here they are given the indication it will be real, means the magnification you have to take it as -3. Then the object is placed in front of the mirror. Object distance will be negative. Is always in the case of a mirror, if you place the object or image in front of the mirror, always it will be a -1. Then what you have to calculate, you have to calculate the image, where exactly you are getting the image. Magnification formula m, it will be equal to minus v by u. Then magnification is -3 minus v on this image distance only we have to calculate. Then u is -10. Then minus v, it will be minus into minus plus 30. Then v is -30, -30 centimeter, -30 centimeter. This minus sign, it will indicate the image is located 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. This minus sign, it will indicate, I will write here this minus sign, this -30 centimeter. Here negative sign, negative value of v, it will indicate the image image you will getting, image it will form in front of mirror. If you are getting plus 30, then that time you have to write the image it is forming behind the mirror. Here negative sign indicate the image you are getting in front of the mirror, because they are in the question they are asking where is the image it will be located, where exactly you are getting the image. You are getting 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay, this problems whatever I am solving, this is very very important. In light chapter, at least based on convex mirror or lens, they will ask at least one. Then magnification, definitely they will ask the problem. Electricity, then light, then work, energy, that, then linear simultaneous linear equation, that 3 is there. That also, that problems I solved, you can revise that videos once again. Based on that also they will give. Next question: an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of length 15 centimeter. Okay, here an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. Here u is -10, because you are placing the object in front of the mirror. Then focus of a convex mirror is behind the mirror. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and the nature of the image they are asking. Then f, it will be plus 15 centimeter. Then find the position and nature of the image. You know the mirror formula, 1 by f is 1 by u plus 1 by v. Then here, why you can ask, ma'am, why if you consider as positive here? Because focus of a convex mirror is always behind the mirror. In the case of a convex mirror, where you are getting a focus, we will get the focus behind the mirror. That's why the focus, it will be, I will write here, the focus, it will be focus of a convex mirror is behind the mirror. That's why I am considering in the case of a convex lens, f is always positive. Then consider the mirror formula. Then 1 by f minus 1 by u, this it will be equal to 1 by v. We have to calculate the value of 1 by v. Substitute here 1 by 15 minus of minus 1 by 10. 1 by 15 minus into minus plus 1 by 10. Take LCM here, otherwise you can multiply, otherwise you can take it as LCM, otherwise multiply. 150 cross multiply, this is 10, this is 15, then 25 divided by 150, then 5 5s are 5 30s are, then 5 1s are 5 6 are. You will get 1 by v is 1 by 6, then v it will be 6 centimeter. Then v here positive 6 centimeter. Then this positive sign, what it will indicate, the image formed 6 centimeter. Where you are getting the image formed 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Don't get confused, don't get panicked, still you are having 2 days time. Revise, okay? Make a list, I given the formulas list, take the list, at least revise, then easily you can solve in the exam. Here plus 6 centimeter indicate the image it will be formed behind the mirror. Solve same problems, take it and solve the same problem, it will be easy for you. Okay, let us move to the next question. This one more note I included here. If magnification is positive, it means the image formed is virtual and erect. If m is positive, whatever the image you will get, that image is virtual and also erect. Then if magnification value is negative, it means it will indicate the image is real and also the image is inverted. Make a column like this, remember. Okay, let us solve few problem based on the lens. Already I solved so many problem based on mirror. Let us solve few problem based on the lens. A concave lens has focal length they are given, that is 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Here the focal length it will be negative. You have to remember the focal length is negative in the case of a concave lens. Here they are given concave length. The focal length is 15 centimeter. You have to remember focal length is negative in the case of a concave lens. And at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens? And also here they are given image distance is 10 centimeter. Then here one clue they are given, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. From the lens means uh, you are the image you are getting in front of the lens. In front of the lens it will be minus. Okay, consider the lens formula. Here also in the case of a concave lens or convex lens, if the object distance or image distance in front of the mirror we will consider as negative, behind the mirror we will consider as positive. Then the image it forms at 10 centimeter from the lens. From the lens means in front of the lens. That's why consider v it will be minus 10 centimeter. Then consider the lens formula, 1 by f 1 by v minus 1 by u. minus 1 by u 1 by f minus, otherwise you can simplify directly. I will write here which one you have to calculate, take it as right side. 1 by u, this it will be equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. Substitute you will get, then v is 1 divided by minus 10 minus f value is 1 divided by minus 15. Then this value is minus 1 by 10, minus into minus plus 1 by 15. Then take the LCM. LCM will be either you can multiply that directly, you can take, otherwise take LCM. 30 minus 3 plus 2, this it will be equal to minus 1 by 30. Then u value is minus 30 centimeter. Here negative sign, it will indicate where you are placing the object. The object is in front of the mirror. The object is in front of the mirror. You are placing the object in front of the mirror also, then you are getting the image in front of the mirror. That's why both u also negative, v also negative, f it will be negative in the case of a concave lens. That one you have to remember. Then magnification you have to calculate. Magnification produced by the lens. You know the formula how to calculate. I will solve here only. Magnification is v by u in the case of a concave lens. In the case of a lens, v value is minus 10 divided by minus 30. 10 ones are 10 threes are, then it will become plus 1 by 3. Magnification is plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.33. Here positive magnification value is positive. What it will indicate, whatever the image you are getting, the image is erect. Already I given the list. When you are when magnification is positive, the image is virtual and also erect. Therefore the image is erect. Yes, only one problem I solved based on the lens, because I solved in one problem, I solved even magnification, everything. If you know the formula and if you know the concept, when you have to consider positive, negative, then you can solve. That's why revise formulas. Tomorrow in science also, maths also, don't make any confusion in the formulas. Revise the formulas. Revising the formula means only memorizing, that is not the proper way. Take pen and paper, start writing the formula, that is the good one. Only what normally what teachers they will do, they will tell only in the mouth. Orally means sometime you can forget. Take writing is good. Write all the formulas whatever you know, start writing, then you will come to know which formulas you are confusing. That one remember, practice you will get. Next, resistance. This in detail I will not go, only problems I will discuss, which type of problems they will ask based on the resistance. Yes, the measurement of the opposition of the flow of electric current through a conductor is called as a resistance of that conductor. It is denoted by R. In simple words, resistance means the opposing force we can consider. When the current is moving in one direction, the resistance it will act in opposite direction to the flow of current. It is indicated by R. Then resistance in series. Yes, this is the series arrangement. Then remember the formula. If you want to calculate a net resistance, if you connected two resistance in series, total or net resistance it will be sum of R1 plus R2. Remember the formula. Based on this only we will solve problems. Then resistance in parallel, the formula 1 by R, net resistance it will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. No need definition here. Let us solve few problem based on this concept. 3 resistance 6, 10, 20 ohms are connected in series. Find the equivalent resistance. Very easy. Equivalent resistance is Rs. We can consider R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then 6 plus 10 plus 20 we will get 36 ohm. Okay, direct. Then one question I included here. In a dash, circuit components are connected across common point to form a multiple paths. To form a multiple paths, we will use parallel. I will explain with the diagram. Here to form a multiple paths, which connection we will use. See series, we will follow only one path here like this. Okay, series we will connect two bulb at next to each other in one single circuit. To form a multiple paths like this we will use a parallel circuits. This type of problems they will ask, find the equivalent resistance between the point A and B. What is the equivalent resistance you will get in this one? I will solve two problems. In resistance in detail they will not ask, they will ask to find the sum, or otherwise when you connected the resistor in series in parallel they will ask equivalent resistance. That much is enough up to TET. Then when we will come to HSTR, gpstr, we have to cover second PUC full. If I started explaining like that problems, you can't even you we don't have that much of time. That's why which one is important, let us consider only that type of questions. Equivalent resistance between the point. Here consider the 2 points A, B. Hakila, good evening Akila. Then here see these three resistance 3 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, these they are connected in parallel. Then these three with 4 ohm they are connected in series. First calculate these resistance connected in parallel. 1 by R is according to the formula 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Then 3 is the LCM. 1, 2, 3, 3 by 3 is nothing but 1 ohm. 1 by R equivalent resistance, otherwise I will consider as 1 by R dash is 1 ohm. Then R dash also 1 ohm, because 1 by 1 is we will get 1 only. Then here this R dash, this full I can replace it as R dash after solving. This R dash and this 4 ohm they will be connected in series, means what is the net resistance? I will write it as N net resistance. It will be 4 ohm plus 1 ohm they are connected in series. Then total net resistance it will be 5 ohm. They will give different options in the exam. Don't neglect this problem. This type of problem they will ask. If they told up to second PUC they will give, because this resistor it will comes in second PUC. At least problems based on problems they may ask. This is the easy one. I am not including the difficult problem. At least this one is very easy problem to calculate the equivalent resistance. Remember the formula. When the resistance when they are in series we will add R equivalent, we will get like R1 plus R2, R3 up to etc. Then if it is in parallel, we will consider 1 by R equivalent, it will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. When you are solving like this problem, the resistor they will be in parallel. That one you solve first, then add with series. That is the easy method. You can get the answer properly. Let us move to the next problem. This is the last one. Find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Here these two resistor they will be in the parallel. This one it will be in series. Then solve this one first. 1 by R dash I will consider as R dash. Then 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 6. This it will be equal to 1 by 3. Then R dash it will be 3 ohm. Then this we can replace with 3 ohm. Then this 3 ohm and this 3 ohm both also they will be in series, means R equivalent is nothing but 3 plus 3, it will be 6 ohm. Without using pen and paper we can answer like this problem in the exam. Okay, whatever the problem I discussed today, all the problems are very very important. Based on electricity we solved, based on like chapter we solved. Then resistor, I don't want to go in deep because this is the not the right time to learn so many concept in 1 or 2 days. At least you can remember to calculate the resistor when they are connected in series and parallel combination, and also to how to calculate the equivalent resistance, that much remember. Then based on the light, remember the concept everything in detail, and thoroughly you have to follow. You have to remember all the science part 1, whatever the formulas I included here. Also I included few formulas, that also remember. And almost today is completed, only you are having only 1 day. 1 day don't be panic, oh I am not completed this topic, this topic. No, tomorrow you don't read any new things. No, whatever you read up to here, only revise tomorrow. Maybe this is the last class, I am not taking tomorrow classes because so many classes are there in my YouTube channel only. Already you watched one time. If you want to revision, watch the same videos, because all the videos they will be available in YouTube. I will not delete anything. Then revise my videos only, then recall. You have to make a note because only 1 day is left. I think whatever the uh, classes I took based on physics, I fully covered physics, chemistry, and maths. I not done any biology classes because I told no, I'm not that much uh, perfect in not biology. Only PU basis I know, but to teach biology I don't have that much of knowledge because teaching is not a very easy job. When we know 100% knowledge about the subject, only we can take live classes, otherwise it is impossible. Up to 10th I can handle biology, but to explain first and second PUC, at least we have to read biology in BSc. No, my combination is not that one. I am PCM students, that's why I am weak in biology. That's why this topic I am not able to complete. I think physics, chemistry, maths, everything I completed up to TET. We don't know about the HSTR and JPSTR. Okay, all the best. Those who are writing Sunday TET, revise and give your best. Don't get panic in the examination hall. All I know, all you are a teacher. So many exams you faced, and uh, I will tell one short trick. When you are writing the exam, which one you know, which questions you, which part you are feeling it is very easy. Better easy questions solve first. Don't stick in one difficult questions or problem. If it is not, don't. And also don't spend more than 1 minute for one particular question. See the watch the time, see the time. And also if you are spending more than 1 minute for one particular question, means leave that question. Because what some they will do, they will take one difficult maths problem or science problem, they will be doing 5-10 minutes for the same problem. Even they will not, sometime you will not get the answer also. Don't do like that. And which one is easy part, easy questions, that solve and put a tick mark. Then when you are having the enough time, then your mind also it will become stable. When you solved too many problems, correct problems, then difficult problems if you okay, it will be very good for you. Okay, thank you Akila. Tomorrow I think if possible I will take tomorrow classes, otherwise no, I think no necessary for you. Everything I given, even maths formulas I given. I will check if maths any formulas I left. I will check maths for only if I take the class to give maths formulas. I will take one more class, otherwise whatever the classes I am taking, all the classes it will be enough for your TET exam. Then after TET we will concentrate next exams gpstr hstr, and also someone you can prepare for Maulana Abdul something for central government they are calling. And also don't stick for only government job, don't stick for only TET. If you are cleared ctet, then you can appointed as central government teacher also. Hmm? Even KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, so many schools are there throughout the Karnataka. Then prepare after TET, prepare for CTET also. My classes it will be helpful for even CTET also, because CTET is mainly they will ask in English medium. Yes, I am doing the classes in English medium. That's why after TET better concentrate those who are not able to take up to till if you are not taken this CTET, better take CTET exam also. If you clear, then you will get central government job also. You for central government job you will get more salary than the government job. You will get facility also more compared to government job. And also this Kendriya Vidyalaya almost all they will be located within the city only. Then you don't want to go any village, if you don't want to prefer to go to any village side, then if you clear this exam also it will be good. I will tell when the upcoming CTET exam it will be going to call, then we will start preparation for that also. Okay, this is not the right time to discuss all this. Better all the best everyone, those you are writing TET coming Sunday. Okay, I am praying those who are writing, let them clear all the TET exams, paper 1 or paper 2, those you are writing which high primary or higher primary, it will be good. And also tell me one information. Some of my friend she is asking, she is completed MSc BEd, and she uh, and also she is writing paper 1 and paper 2. If she cleared paper 1, she is be eligible for 1 to 5th primary teacher. Tell me that one, I don't know information about that one. She is asking whether I have to appear for paper 1 or paper 2, she is asking. I don't know. If BSc BEd BSc means MSc we have to consider paper 2. Already it is there in hall ticket, she got paper 1 also. If she clear, is she eligible, she is eligible for primary or not, that information I don't know. If anyone, if you know, then tell me in the comment box, otherwise tell me in the live chat also. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. After the exam we will meet. Ah, yes, Aftab, I know. She has to appear for paper 2. I know. MSc BEd means paper 2 is compulsory. If she cleared this paper 1, is she eligible for primary teacher? 1 to 5th government exam they will call, no? Any compulsory to clear like primary TCH is compulsory, no? She not done TCH. That one I am asking. MSc BEd, but she not completed TCH. Is TCH is compulsory for 1 to 5th primary teacher, I am asking. 1 to 5th primary teacher is TCH is compulsory. Oh, not DEd. Is it DEd is compulsory of the to become a 1 to 5th primary teacher is DEd is compulsory, I am asking. Then DEd is compulsory to become 1 to 5th primary teacher. Okay, Aftab, thank you. Thank you for replying, because she is in doubt whether I have to write for appear for paper 1 or paper 2. If only high school teacher means if she clear paper 2 is enough. Yes, for primary maybe I think DEd is compulsory, because they will give different training, I don't know. Hmm? Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. And also if you have any doubt, you can contact me through the mail. Okay, well, once I start hstr gpstr class, I will make a group, and that time I will start sending the pdf notes. Sorry, I am not able to send any pdf notes for everyone, anyone. If possible, those you mailed, at least formulas I will mail, at least formulas list I will try to forward, at least formula list. Okay, mail this, email me today. Today tomorrow I am not taking any classes, at least I can send formula list pdf notes. You can contact me through this mail if you have the pdf notes. Maybe for revising you also it will be easy. Only formula list, that one I will send. Once I start hstr jpstr, that time I will make a group. For group I will start sending the pdf notes, everything. This time we don't have, I don't have that much of time. And also at least I will try to give at least formulas pdf. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. We will meet in next after tt, or if possible next class we will see. Okay, bye, take care, all the best for your exam.